we're making little snack bags with nuts that we got at BJ's because it's cheaper to do this than to get the nuts like already pre-made. And, well, Aaron, you need to wait for Mama. And Aaron is doing a great job most of the time at helping me scoop. He really likes to scoop and dump. So this works well. So I thought I'd show you how good he's doing. Good job. Get it.
Got. Get, Mama, get.
Get it.
I get.
You're so more dramatic when Mama turns the camera on. I don't know where you get that from. Oh, leave it in there, Bubba. That's good. There we go.
What?
Yep, now we need another bag.
What down here?
So here we have a mix of walnuts
Get
and
it.
pecans.
Get it, Mama.
Get it, Bubba. And almonds and pistachios.
Whoa.
And it's this big, massive bowl.
Stop.
And we'll probably get, like, I don't know, 100 servings or something out of it.
All done.
You're all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Name the bag.
Yeah, well, we have lots of bags. Mama can do it if you're all done.
Get.
Good job. Get it.
The big spoon.
Yep, it's a big spoon. You like that spoon?
Sorry.
Oh, you missed the bag, silly.
I will
You're
get.
getting a little tired.
I will get.
Oh, don't put it back in. Oh well, don't tell Dad that. Anyway, say bye, Grandma. Love
Bye.
you.